Pall Mall. The cigarette or a cocktail? Welcome to Making Drinks to Drink, where we make drinks to drink. Today we are making the Pall Mall cocktail. I found this cocktail out of the Ultimate Bar book by Menthe Helmick. If I said that wrong, I apologize. And I really couldn't find anything about this one, just that I found it in this book. I've had a lot of people ask me, you know, how do you come up with these drinks? Where do you come up with them? How do you decide what you're gonna make? Well, kind of like this. And then if I have the ingredients for it, I make it. So, let's get started on making a Pall Mall. To make the Pall Mall, you need 1.5 ounces of gin, a 1/2 ounce of Dry Vermouth, a 1/2 ounce of Sweet Vermouth, a teaspoon of Creme de Menthe, and a few dashes of Angostura bitters. Let's get started. We're going to start by chilling our cocktail glass. And now I really couldn't find a lot of history on the Pall Mall, so I don't know if maybe it was invented for the Pall Mall cigarette or if the Pall Mall cigarette was named after this. I don't know. Really the only thing I know about Pall Malls is I have terrible memories of them stealing them from my uncle, and my God, they tasted awful. They were the unfiltered kind, and oof, they were rough. I don't know how you did it. And I would also assume that this might be, with this Creme de Menthe, probably a dessert drink. If I was a betting man, I feel like that mint, I don't know. Let me know in the comments. Do you think this would be a afternoon drink, a dessert drink, a let's have a party drink? I don't know. Let me know in the comments.
One eternity later.
You want to stir for a long time because you want to get this drink really, really cold. And also get proper dilution. You're getting a good tasting drink. Although I don't know if this is a good tasting drink or not because I've never had this drink before. That should be good. And this one doesn't call for a garnish. So, the Pall Mall. Let's see if it reminds me of cigarettes or something better. That's different. I don't know if I like that or not. It'd probably help if I was a bigger fan of gin, because you can definitely taste the gin. You get kind of that mint on the end. It's just like that little bit of, is that mint? Is that maybe reminiscence of a menthol Pall Mall cigarette? I don't know. I don't know if this is going to be a winner or not. It's not bad. It's not terrible. But it's definitely not a good one. I don't know. Try that one for yourself. Let me know down in the comments if you like a Pall Mall or if you don't, but give it a try. Thanks for coming. If you liked this recipe, if you want to see more recipes like this, make sure you like, subscribe, share. As always, hit that notification bell so that you can see when we upload the next one. Thanks for coming. Yeah, this is just not a good one. We're gonna finish it anyway.